Okay, hello once again everyone. Thank you lo coming to lo channel. Me like just like talk thank you lo me like show me bla lo how lo setting screen settings go lo minimum width. So but you can use some how also use your computer. Uh, First you go inside lo settings. You go inside lo settings. You scroll down go na you find him. Sorry. Started good. First you go inside lo settings. Okay, you scroll down, go down by finding one blap when I'm option of that option about phone. You can check about phone. You go find him one blap optional to develop option. You click him several times. Na ba you go new option. Or you call him build number. You click him plenty time. Na ba you can check option new option. Or you call him the settings yet. Then basta underneath develop option, and then from develop option you scroll go down. Go by you find him one blap. Applicant tamdo or write him the minimum width. Okay, you click him minimum width or some BM, you look him 332. I'm stopping this. I'm how set him. Normally your phone sa cam time come out sa factory you buy new phone and buy 320 this lah but na me set him go 6. And then you scroll you the election is him you can change him just press him delete as well side. Okay, you add him new browser me add 532. Now time click OK by looking screen do me and bako big bla. Or writing go big bla. Okay. Osem na suppose bamitram gulo WhatsApp. Okay, look him. And now o kata chat o kata something do me kam lo full screen. Okay, suppose mi set him go backend, mi set him go backend lo. Mi go backend lo minimum width na mi set him go backend lo 630 or 632. Okay, me okay long em screen do me am go click. Suppose me go back and lo WhatsApp do me too am change look em. I think I'm sorry. Thank you lo tutorial how lo change screen the phone how me show you how you can chat now you chat lo nara pa site na. I think that's all. Thank you lo